Welcome to this webinar with MB Connect Line. Since 1997, we create cross-sector remote maintenance solutions made in Germany, in 2 locations, in Bavaria and Baden-Württemberg, and are true pioneers in this field. Every minute of machine downtime costs hard cash, which can be saved with remote maintenance. Mechanicals and plant engineers, for example, can reduce traveling costs. Increasing response times will improve the customer contact and relationships. And this doesn't even have to be free of charge. By putting appropriate maintenance contracts in place, the mechanical engineer can also generate additional profits, such as new profit contributions, and the constant contact with the customer increases the chances of future business. The plant manufacturer as well as the plant operator benefits. Within the maintenance contracts, we can get support within a few minutes, which reduces machine downtimes. Also here, every minute costs hard cash. To avoid faults or malfunctions, the operator can have a regular and preventive maintenance. If the plant is being operated without personnel, malfunctions will be reported immediately. Malfunctions may even be fixed directly over the smartphone if necessary. The only prerequisites for remote maintenance are a few components. Naturally, one of these is suitable, commonplace interface. The machine must also be accessible online via the customer's network, DSL router or mobile broadband if no connection is available. The communication of the machine will be operated via the MB-Net router, either as VPN server with a central service portal or as a pre-installed complete system at the customer. Whatever requirements you have, with the MB Connect Line remote maintenance modules, we can install your individual remote maintenance solution. Your remote maintenance modules include the MB-Net industrial routers, which are available in various versions. Also, the central service portal MB Connect 24, or the complete system My MB Connect 24, which is pre-installed for the customer. No matter if a service portal or pre-installed in-house, MB Connect 24 is the online service center of the remote maintenance system. It establishes the connection of your data processor, smartphones or tablets, as you can see on the left, with the machines. MB Connect 24 is therefore the intelligent exchange that allows you to control remote maintenance with a few simple clicks of the mouse. This makes for convenient user and machine management. Here is a screenshot of the user interface. User management shows you the devices connected to this test user. The green LED indicates whether the device is online and whether the machine can be accessed. The system also assigns a name to the installation and recognizes the type and the VPN IP. This user interface is the basic for remote maintenance. This is where you can assign devices or locations, manage device groups, and so on. The standard spec on the MB-Net industrial router is as follows. 4-way switch with 4 LAN ports. Built-in firewall. 2 SIM card slots on mobile broadband devices. GSM, GPRS, Edge or UMTS. As an additional variant, or to enable roaming if you want to deploy the device overseas, which may also be for safety reasons. In addition, there is a USB interface for configuration and alarm management with 4 digital inputs and 2 digital outputs. The whole thing is then housed in sheet steel and has a top hat rail suitable for any switch cabinet. Whichever full solution you choose, you always benefit from optimal component compatibility, and you can choose from the various modules based on our needs. MB Connect Line stands for quality made in Germany. Therefore, you profit from our fast response time. The devices are so flexible in terms of development that they can be adapted to any infrastructure. Connections are easy to set up and are also very secure thanks to the VPN and HTTPS connections and firewalls. With the integrated reporting maintenance, connections can be documented easily, whether for internal use or as proof for customers. We would be pleased to give you more information about the complete solutions of MB Connect Line. Please feel free to arrange a face-to-face consultation at either your offices or ours.